Them a kill, we do wettings. But money are the topic that we keep getting. Every night on the ends we have you on a gym. No treadmill dog cause we now run.
Shit. Bambuk! Wallan! Only get the picture of the man that's paying food now while I got that. Black people juice. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in the pic with another video for you guys. Right now we have Icee loyal. You understand? The last Icee video I react to, it got blocked on YouTube, but we have to post it on Instagram so you can go mess that on Instagram. I don't remember what that song name. Some ghetto icon or something like that. You understand me? If you're on Instagram, go mess it for yourself if you don't want to mess it. Right now, I make sure so you see that one, so you know so the pause box is in full effect. You understand me? I say so. Like up the video, comment to see your comment in the video. We could pick up some people real quick. Jump in the description of that video. As me, I say the idol clothing. Make up yourself, set speed for the drip. Anyways, this is the idol clothing plus Trinidad Baby presents mythic altitude. Rhythm. So it's a mythic altitude rhythm. You see me I say. Alright, executive producer, the idol closing, produced by Trinidad Baby. Icee, you don't know record label, loyalty records, big up yourself. You see me I say Anthony A, big up yourself again for the videographer and everything. You see me I say artwork by Kyron R1, big up yourself, don't want to spoil anyone. Big up yourself, you know yourself. You see me I say. Alright, go see what I got for that video right now. Loyal by Icee. I try going down on people, go see what I got. Retro.
Man, if you ain't got none of this THC shit, man, kill yourself, man.
When we're waking out the morning, when we're waking out the morning, when we're waking out the morning.
Yo, when we're waking out the morning, me have to hold a fresh teeth for boy girl. I joke, man, I couldn't bother with them something today. Retro, go see what I got.
Why? When I'm waking on the morning, my gun right there for sure. Throw on my fresh kit, big up, I don't dog.
Oh Lord, that big up, I don't know the song to set speed. But like that, big up the top about. That's when I'm waking in the morning, I'm gonna play there for sure. You understand me? I say right now, my camera and my gun still in there. So I'm waking in the morning now. My camera for the right, that's what I make 2 videos. See me, I say. But go on. Go on!
You know then you know, but some pussy them a hate. Me nah give a fuck. And them care box me up, man. Never fresh dog, that dirt them non-stop.
Man, hold on the power. Run back in that tune. Whoa, Icee. Hold on the Icee. Can you walk up the road now on the Icee? Go on!
Me nah give a fuck.
Yeah.
And them care box me up, man. Never fresh dog, that dirt them non-stop.
Yeah.
Big belly man to kick off like big ch.
You want to go on right there, so? He doesn't make you a fucking... And them can't box him up, you know? Right now, people are gonna crowd up some boy face left, right, or center. Right now, Icee show them say I'm not afraid of none of them. Icee, go on.
From them talk too much at one bus, cause me nah give a fuck.
Hold on the pause, what going on? Hold up. What if we run back in that tune same speed? Go on.
Never fresh dog, that dirt them non-stop. Big belly man to kick off like big truck. From them talk too much at one bus, cause me nah give a fuck. Cause them can't set me up.
Friend, them talk too much. They don't talk off the mouth too much, you know, cause Icee not hesitate for bus. Yo, make me run back in that tune nowadays because I want to hear the lyrics them nowadays. I don't want to miss nothing nowadays, you know. Deal with it.
While me kill them loyal, we no breach contract, one law, one order. And if I want, man ready for the drama. Them don't know the settings.
Pause. Me love the war, you know. Me love the clash, you know, lyrical clash, you know, that me I talk about in the open. Him say he love the drama, so lyrical, him like the backlash. One call it in Trinidad, bacchanal. You know what I say? So, if I want him ready for the drama, So, let me get the lyrical award then, please. You understand? So the reaction boss can enjoy himself over here. So you don't know each other already, you know. Because if I war, I stay ready for the drama. So, I'm on dear. This Iceland now a song. So me can get to react to it and make Iceland reply. And then the war get, go on.
Them a kill, we do it things. But money are the topic that we keep getting. Every night on the ends we have you on a gym. No treadmill dog cause we now run.
Shit. Bambuk! Wallan! Only get the picture of the man that's paying food now a while ago, dog. Make a run back in the tune the party right there so come on to the hear what I stand to talk about.
Kill, we do it things. But money are the topic that we keep getting. Every night on the ends we have you on a gym.
But what?
No treadmill dog cause we now run.
No, make a run back in it. What's okay, man? I run back in this again. Listen.
We keep getting. Every night on the ends we have you on a gym. No treadmill dog cause we now run. The program.
We run back again.
Them a kill, we do it things.
Pause. Them a kill, we a kill. Do wet things, right? But on that we are talk about, you know. Every night pon the corner, them and them want a gym, but them not no treadmill, because them not run off for the car. Them a exercise for them corner, and them no want, them not run. So the treadmill they in the gym. Yo.
But money are the topic that we keep getting.
Yeah.
Every night on the ends we have you on a gym.
Yeah.
No treadmill dog cause we now run. The program strong dog, it never fall down. And if
Dog said, buckler people. I want some black people juice. Yes, I. Gangali. Yo. People, the man name Iceland people. People, the man name Iceland people. Deal with it.
you do like that, you better calm down.
Yeah.
Everything tall up with the pantrum.
Yeah.
Today me go tomorrow, me kill random.
But guess what? You see if you don't like that, you better calm down, you know. You better calm down yourself, you know. Because the man they on them ends every night at them gym, you know, them man they not on treadmill, so them man they not go run yourself, you know, like, you better calm down. Go on!
Them done know man born as a winner. And all my dog, them a real bad killer.
Yeah.
You don't give a fuck what them have to say, man. Music a play and they turn up the temperature.
Hold on, they never what? Hold on, pause. Never what? More hear that part there?
Them done know man born as a winner. And all my dog, them a real bad killer. Me no give a fuck what them have to say, man. Music a play and they turn up the temperature.
Hey dogs, you don't give a F what them have to say cause the music a play. Turn up the temperature. Right now more the temperature turn up over here, over here so cool. It starts next week and me carry. No, boy, go back and Jamaica. But dog, go on, let's chat things.
Change my style, money start make quicker.
Yeah.
Girl, what fuck up, my name get bigger.
Yeah.
See, take SMM full up a stinger, but some boy them a
Clad. Girl, change your style. Girl, I suppose he take a SM. Hold on, pause. Just like, yeah. Me I run back in that song now. As a lately, you know, people. Because I want to hear them lyrics. I want to go on now with ears, you know, people. Make you want to go on now, you know, people. Go on, nice done.
my style, money start make quicker. Girl, what fuck up, my name get bigger. See, take SMM full up a stinger.
See, take a. What I want there? But hold on. Girl want fuck because him name get bigger. Good girl, no, you just get style of the wickedest way. Especially if you're one of them girls that wear my talk about. And if you're one of them girls that will do it. Guys, listen. Most artists sing what happen. They man they make up lyrics. You know me I say? And think me see, I said, hold on, and then you me see that pretty. I'm not a pretty old man still, but big up yourself, you know how sip and grab. You don't know it chap, you know that go. You know what? Run tune, right? Run tune. See people business and leave it alone. Go on!
Make quicker. Girl, what fuck up, my name get bigger. See, take SMM full up a stinger, but some boy them a pre-wee.
Some boy I pre them, you know? Some boy I pre them for true. Yo, you know who want the lyrical clash. Who want song for song and that who want. You understand me? I say that who want. Stop all premiums and start put out some song. You understand? And that one. Go on.
I give a fuck. Them can't box me up, man. Never fresh dog. That hurt them non-stop. Big belly matter kick off like big truck. From them talk too much at one bus. Cause me not
See it though. I'm telling you about every song of a little I'm a little shady night. Every single song out there have a little shady night, dog. Somebody, you know, say somebody out there don't like you, or somebody out there throw when don't like you, them a talk bad boy. You're gonna try shade them in your song. You might not look like you might even know say you shade them or you style them, but you do it. You understand? Because the boy that was there in your head, dog, I said, boy, you don't see that boy that post. I'm gonna read that boy there. You know what I mean? But you don't want to call your name, you don't want to look too obvious. You don't say you write it in your lyrics in there, but just drop it in there. You understand me? I said that I said always go, but go on.
I give a fuck. Cause them can't set me up while me killing them loyal. We no reach contract, one law, one order. And if I want
all them kill them loyal, but I don't that me I ask you for year. Me I ask you for year, the part was set. You know, breach a contract. One, you know what? But mama could have blended another video, dog. Watch out. I could have blended another video. Alright, watch me in the background then. Me in the background.
man ready for the drama. People chat a lot of fuckery all over the place. Man still stand firm, man now lost the race. Stacking up the money, action got to keep me safe for people.
You know much fuck with them people here chat all over the yo. People, go check out Icee Dan. Because see what I go on for this. I don't want that video too long. The video gone 10 minutes already. I don't want to keep no rest of it too long. Right now, you know what?
Well, I bring out me devilish ways. Keep my head above water. Only let them try them get slaughtered. Feel them smart, but my team smarter.
The whole I'm team smarter than a phone team. No, feel them smart. But the whole I'm team smarter than you. That's that. Yo, you know what? I try explain what I must say to Uno right now. Just know say song bad. You know what I mean?
Real bad man, we cause the disaster. Fling bout to the out of the bushmaster. Them done know man born as a winner. And all my dog, them a real matter take off like big truck. From them talk too much. And if I walk, man ready for the drama. See, take care of them.
Skip out the whole
Hey there.
I joke at the course let me skip out again. But you know me say be big up on yourself. Stop checking out my video, understand me I say? Just never want to keep it over here tree long. You know what I mean? So go check out Icee Dan. You know me I say link to the original song is gonna be down below in the description of this video. Go pray it for yourself. Just some fire emoji and then video edit me I say. And big up on yourself. So no tomorrow for some more reaction. Well tomorrow at Thursday. I carnival time tomorrow. I want my glass there. I want my glass there. I want the bum. Oh, my smoke a glass there.